Alright guys, so quick overview here on the run chart. This report basically allows you to set up a daily, monthly, or yearly analysis basically on the KPI that you're currently looking at. For example, here you're able to choose between quality, CSAT, or closed interactions. Um, Basically, you will index the information here. Let's say you have a hours target KPI, just for the sakes of the example, and you have a target for 6 hours. Um, Quickly here, you're able to get the hours target now with 6. Now the advantage here is that, like I said, you can look at it yearly, daily, or monthly. Um, Considering that these are high, um, let's switch them to yesterday. Well, on January the 1st, I did 2 hours and I did 3. Next day, I was a little bit better and I did 6. Then I moved down up to 7 and down to 4. As you can see, daily and the hours target will go populating as time goes by. Um, this chart will also be updating the information, so you won't need to necessarily be updating it yourself. Now, the quarterly only works with the monthly target here, so you'll be able to track on a quarterly basis how you're doing based on the month hours intake overview. Could be that your target needs to be adjusted. So if it's 6 daily and we're into a month, we probably want to look at a little bit higher. I call it 300 hours per month. And basically what you've been doing is 244, 350, 278, and so forth. And you'll see that on your quarter, you'll be able to get the information of how you're doing from the simple chart. So this is the easy run chart. You can find it in Reporting Pal for $3.